Warning, what you're about to see might be disturbing, even by Smoky Oak standards.
Dear Camp Sheriffs, copyright impingement. We're Dear Camp Sheriffs.
Doing my job on the home.
Dear Camp Sheriffs.
It's cold down there in the creek.
Yeah! Can y'all say a hell yeah to Night Vision and Bud Light? Whoop whoop.
Jumping.
I'm flipping you up on the taxi thing. You're number one. Dear Camp Sheriff's reporting. We're at in Sector 2. Nothing to report. Moving on to Sector 3.
Got my driving girl gone.
Yeah, and we're moving and you ain't got no hands on the wheel.
You ain't ever drove fucking drunk before? Oh damn, this your first rodeo or what?
You're not even on the trail.
Don't need to be, I'm drinking.
Yeah. Section 4B. Checking on a possible homicide. We gotta get the homicide detector, which is that right there. No detection of homicide at all. There we go. We're in Sector 2B. Nothing to report. Everything is all clear, all calm.
Once we get down here, we ought to go down to the local Apple see what's going on down there.
I just want to flip y'all off the night vision. Night vision flip off. Yeah. Night vision flip off. Dear Camp Sheriffs. Down there.
Bad boys.
That I'm still in our Real Tree Hunters. There. Dear Camp Sheriffs. There. Copyright impinged.
My Bud Light.
Yeah, you can't tell what it is. It looks like a fucking
It's
seltzer
Dr.
water.
Pepper. We got it, guys. We got this on the picture. Who wants me to drive them around on New Year's Eve?
Look, you look like a vampire. Yeah, I'm a vampire too. We need beer.
Like I don't go out in daylight very much.
Yeah. That's all you do is go in the daylight. It's odd that you're out here at night.
I'm the ass backwards of vampires. I don't stay out past dark. I get scared.
Dear Camp Sheriffs. Copyright impingement.